Okay, so this video is going to be on more expressions. Yay! But these expressions are going to be helpful for you. Expressions that you'll hear almost all the time in Cebuano and among Cebuano speakers. First one is agay. And agay means ouch. So, let me give you an example. So, I was in school one day in the Philippines, and I was teasing my teacher about something, just a little joke, and she she started tickling me really hard now, and when she tickled me really hard and started, like I was all I started twitching and all that stuff, and I said a guy, and I was like ow, ow ouch ouch, but we were both laughing. It's funny, but a guy means ouch, meaning like let's say you bumped your hip or perfect example, if you're walking down the hallway and there's a table down the hallway and you're walking past a table or some sort of corner or an edge, and your foot or your toe gets caught in one of them, and yeah, your toe gets caught in one of the table legs or the edge or an edge of something that's of a corner, and it hurts, and you say agay, or when you hit your head you say agay. Agay just means ouch. Next one is agoy, right? Agoy. My dad says this a lot. Agoy, which means uh-oh, or oh no. Yeah, agoy means like uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh, or oh no, something's wrong. Agoy. It's an expression that people use too. So if you're telling someone a story and the story is an unfortunate event that happened to you, people can be like, agoy, wow, that hurt, ouch, or oh, or stuff like that. Next one is I, right? I, and a lot of people say this a lot too. And it's like oh or ow, I, like ay nakalimutan ko means like oh I forgot something, I forgot it, I forgot. Oh, next one is hoy or hey. A lot of this one's a common Filipino. This one's common in a lot of other Philippine languages. Um, Notoriously in Tagalog, like hoy, hoy. It means hey, and as in other languages, and in Philippine culture or Filipino culture, sometimes people would be like, psst, the little, psst, but not psst. It's more like a psst, like an S sound, psst, like kind of like a little whistling S, and they'll be like, psst, hoy, like hey, come here, psst, hoy, psst, ali din he, ali. He's like, hey, come here. And the last one is the infamous uy, the infamous uy. This one I didn't know what to write, so I put ellipsis because I'm gonna talk about this one a whole lot. Oi, and oi is an expression that a lot of it just really depends on the context. Like oi, so it could be like you're expressing a scoffing, like some sort of scoffing gesture, or a scoffing expression, or that you're kind of lying, like you're expressing that, oh, I don't believe you, kind of expression, or I don't know, it really depends. But a lot of Cebuano speakers use this almost on every sentence they say. So here's an example, right? Diha ka oy means like, let's say that someone was telling a story and you don't believe it. You're like, ay kuya, what? Diha ka oy means, oh, incredible. Really? Look at you there. It's kind of like, oh, yeah,